The Henry Resort is an amazing property at Dumaguete Boulevard. The location at the boulevard is not exciting, but at least it is very near to the nightlife of Dumaguete. The place is very peaceful, with lots of trees. Definitely a sanctuary within the busy city of Dumaguete. You will be welcomed with their homemade drink at check-in. Once you enter the property, a serene peace captures you. The landscaping is so amazing. The rooms are hidden in nature. There is no feeling of being in the city at all. The rooms are fantastic with great amenities, though the room could use more lights, maybe add some white lights. This is the bathroom. It's quite a spacious bathroom. I love their complimentary slippers. So they have complimentary drinks as well. The soda is included except for these. And they have mini bar. Except for the chocolates, of course. See what we have here. Oh, this is our view. Very nice. We were pleasantly surprised by the very friendly and knowledgeable staffs. The F&B outlets are just great. We tried them all. A fairly large pool makes the property complete. The price is somewhat high but more than worth it. This is for sure our preferred resort when we are in Dumaguete. It's moving.
The flower is moving.
Yeah. The video is moving. It's cool.